Okay, let's take a look at some trades from a few days ago. This is the 19th of April. This is the afternoon session. Got a nice sell signal. You can see right the separation between the lines was pretty solid. Price moved up to about plus 40. It reverses here and goes back. And when the line starts to cross, giving us sort of our exit signal, price really kind of jumped a little bit, and so we kind of ate an extra 5 on that one, which was not real helpful. But what are you going to do? Sometimes that's how it works out. So we hit the reversal button, which is the yellow bar in the upper left-hand corner. Close the original sell trade, got us immediately into a buy trade. You can see the stop loss is now moved into profit. I'm going to move it up here to plus 10 in a second. Just to let you know, coming up, there's going to be kind of a glitch in the video. I actually lost my internet connection for a few minutes and had to wait for it to get restarted and rebooted. So it's just kind of a rather jarring, abrupt change in appearance on the charts when that happened. So just so you understand what's going on there. This is turns out to be a pretty good trade. What's going to come up next, however, was kind of an embarrassment on my part. When we get stopped out at plus 10, which is where the stop loss is sitting, we begin to get what appears to be a sell signal. It never really was a sell signal, but that didn't stop me. I jumped in and put the sell trade in anyway. And you're going to see here in a second that what happens is that it never really picks up any kind of steam and ultimately fails and starts moving back up. Now, I closed out the first trade at 20. The second trade closed out at plus 10. I'm up around 30 on that trade. You can see this is a sell signal. It's not really a real sell signal. You can't really see good separation between the lines heading down right now. They're sort of merged together. But it does now, in fact, turn around and start moving in the other direction. And what will happen is I'm going to end up hitting the reverse button again and closing out the sell trade for about a 15-point loss, and now I'll be in a buy trade. Now I was up about 30, so I gave back 15. You can see I've already moved the stop loss to break even. We're in actually pretty good shape on here. Now I got out at this point at about 35. There's the glitch I was telling you about. I lost the internet connection for a little bit. We came back, finally got started, got into a sell trade. And currently sitting just a hair below 50. And normally I go for 50 in a session. That's my goal. If I can get 50, I've had a pretty good session. This is trading the US 30, obviously. Well, what happens here is price doesn't really cooperate, comes back, stops me out slightly past break even, just enough to cover the spreads and the commissions and whatnot. But price moves back down, rejoins the original trade, and we see we get some nice separation on the indicators. I sold one last time, and now you're going to see over the next 20 or 30 seconds the bottom falls out. This thing dropped about 55 points where I finally got out. So ended up 100 points middle of the afternoon on Friday, or on April 19th rather, and very simple. And this stuff happens pretty much every day, especially in the afternoons on the US 30, and with most everything else that's out there to trade. So it's a good system. It works.